6.1 Programming Methodologies. Programming methodologies are programming paradigms. Here, for past 5-6 decades, several programming paradigms were developed, have been developed, and one is better than the previous one. They have been developed in such a fashion. Every methodology was developed as a better than the previous one. All these methodologies are useful for developing high-level program, and here, if you study all these methodologies, what is the advantage? How initially the developers thought, subsequently how they improved it. The thinking process you must understand. You should not directly go to the latest one. That is not the good procedure. In learning, you should understand the evolution of the things, how it is started, how betterment is made, how further betterment is made, how further betterment is made. In that way, if you study the historical background, all that, then currently one methodology is there, let us say, and you can find out the loopholes in that, and if the scope of improvement is there, you can make it. That's why we study all the methodologies briefly. Now, mainly, we can classify all these methodologies into 4 groups. The first one is monolithic. Monolithic programming paradigm, and second one structured, second one procedural, third one structured, and fourth one object oriented. Now we can classify all these methodologies into 4 groups. The first one is monolithic, and the second one is monolithic programming paradigm, and the second one procedural programming paradigm, third one structured programming paradigm, and the last one object oriented programming paradigm. If you study all of them, you can understand that how procedural paradigm is better than monolithic, how structured programming is better than procedural, how object oriented is better than the structured one. And one more thing you should observe, these are all, one is development over the other one. These are not totally a new one. So that's why every knowledge is useful for the next one. It is like a base for the next one. In that manner, you have to study all these methodologies.